Do you want to know how the upgrade service works for the UK's only upgradable thermal device? I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks. Let me show you with my Pulsar Telos XQ35. It's easy, and you'll find everything at pulsar-vision.co.uk. This is the Pulsar Telos upgrade service. So let's upgrade now. There's a stack of useful information about the service, from the options available to step-by-step instructions on how the upgrading works for UK customers. Let's look at our options. I want to upgrade my Telos XQ35 to a Telos XL50, but also with a laser rangefinder, so add that to my basket. If you're happy with the price, go to checkout and enter name, address and contact details. You'll need to provide the serial number of your Telos, which is this long number on the base. Enter it carefully and double check it before progressing to your payment details. Once that's done, check this box for our standard T's and C's. They're at the bottom of the page should you need them. You can now place your order. Here's a summary, which is also emailed for reference, along with details of the collection of your Telos. To get your Telos ready for the courier, here's what you need to do. Remove the battery and put it with any accessories you have in the box. Place your Telos in its pouch so everything is nice and snug. Then box it up securely, along with a copy of the order summary from our email. We'll phone you during office hours to arrange a convenient collection date and location, and we'll keep you updated by email. 2 to 4 weeks later, we'll be back in touch to sort out a return date for the courier to drop off your newly upgraded Telos. For more details, the latest upgrade options and prices, visit pulsar-vision.co.uk. Thanks for watching.